Thank you very much. It certainly always is a pleasure to be here in New York, since it is one of my favorite cities of the United States. Right now, we'd like to get right on into another number here for you. And before I do, I would like to introduce the boy that's going to accompany me here on this, doing the harmony with me. And he's a boy that's been with me for quite a while. I'm sure a lot of you might recognize him. Let's give a big hand to Georgie Riddle.
Yeah, come on in.
He's going to help me do a little tune here called The White Lightning.
Well, in North Carolina, way back in the hills, lived my old pappy, and he had him a still. He brewed a white lightning till the sun went down. Then he'd fill him a jug and he'd pass it around. Mighty, mighty pleasing, pappy's corn squeezing. Ooh, white lightning. Well, a G-men team and the revenues too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept a cooking. Ooh, white lightning.
Ready for me now, host?
Look, Joe, not now. I'll let you know.
Well, I asked my old pappy why he called his brew White Lightning instead of Mountain Dew. I took a little sip and right away I knew, as my eyes bugged out and my face turned blue. Lightning started flashing, thunder started clashing. Ooh, white lightning. Well, a G-men team and the revenues too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept a cooking. White lightning. Slicker came and he said, I'm tough. I think I want to taste that powerful stuff. He took one slug and he drank it on down, and I heard him a moaning as he hit the ground. Mighty, mighty pleasing, your Baptist corn squeezing. Ooh, what lightning. Well, the G-men team and the revenues too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept a cooking. White lightning.